Wow. Okay, thumbnail time. Okay, great.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he doesn't do highs. So
I
weird.
haven't recorded in like a week. I forgot how to start a
I
YouTube
know.
video. Today, another yearly annual.
Like a tradition of ours. And I got so many comments about this, asking when we are filming this. Even in person at my meet and greets, they're like, "Are you gonna film this?"
Are you gonna film?
And I'm like, yes.
Probably one of the most stressful times of the year for me.
Why?
Because I am terrible at gift giving.
No, you're good.
Bitch, is you blind?
Last year, like, I still wear the sweater and everything.
Right. I have your little light in the back.
I know, I see it.
Yeah.
I always enjoy shopping for you because I always know what I'm gonna get you that year.
That's the thing, I never know what I'm gonna get her. On my channel, I'm opening the gift she's giving me. On her channel, I'm opening the gift she got for
I got for you here, and then what you got for me on my channel.
Love that.
We did it.
And also, I'm the type of person that doesn't react. I say this. I have to say this every year because people will be like, "Wow, his reaction." In general, I'm like an emotionless, heartless bitch. So
whatever. No, he's not.
At least I don't smile in all these girls' faces because you fucking are a wolf in sheep's clothing. I'm not. I'm a fucking wolf. You see me coming.
So I have this big bag of things for Eddie, and
I already like the box, the bump tube.
oh yeah, so cacao.
That you have to pay an extra 1,001 for.
Yeah, and I ripped it today on my way because I was holding this all day, but it's gonna be worth it.
Aren't you glad that you're just like, you don't have to carry it anymore?
Yeah, no,
But you
I
had to
hope
carry
you
mine.
didn't get. Oh,
Trust and believe.
Ready?
Yes.
So the
I am
first
as ready as ever.
one is,
Oh.
they're just macarons.
I fucking love macarons.
Every time I hang out with him, I just want to feed him. So I just...
I always need snacks at home. I'm one of those people that opens the cupboard. I'm like, what's there to eat?
Nothing.
And I check 2 minutes later.
Nothing.
No, still nothing.
Yeah, so that's just like a fun gift.
Do I have to like...
Oh, that's a Jeopardy song.
Oh my god.
Just started.
I know.
All right.
Okay, so I told you to stay away from the cacao store like a month ago.
Which I haven't been going to for like half the year.
So I got you 2 things from the cacao store because I really needed this bag. And I thought this is really cute, so.
Did you like get this thing that you asked for, the biggest bag?
Yeah, I was like, okay, I want the small plastic bag and 1 large bag. All right. Do you know what this, please, you don't have it?
Oh my god, I need this. My skin has been so dry. It's a humidifier.
Yeah. It's new.
And it's a mood lamp.
Yeah.
Oh, bitch.
I love the moody lamp stuff that they have at Cacao because it's like cute but also very aesthetically pleasing. So when I saw this, I was like, I have to get this for you, but I was so worried that you might have it. Because this is like the perfect like on your desk accessory.
Yeah, right. With the lamp in the back. And now the humidifier.
Yes. The next one.
Oh my god, okay. Like, I've never really been a candle person. But lately, I don't know why, but I've just been like burning all these candles that I have.
Cause I'm a smelly bitch.
I just ran out of like all of my candles.
Perfect. And this one's a Ryan one. And I like this scent, cedarwood.
Kyopta.
I like it.
Ooh,
right?
Bitch. That's fresh.
Okay, so this is a card that you will read later.
Oh, yes, 'cause
Right.
we know we love reading your cards in front of the camera.
Yeah, so we're not gonna read this. It's so easy for me because I know he likes Ryan. And I remember all the ones I got him, so I just get the newest one for that year.
And now that I'm not shopping there anymore, it's even easier for you.
Yes.
What the
Tamarin?
Yeah.
Tambourine. Oh my god. I always pass by that store. I'm like,
I know.
I want that.
I love the packaging. It's just so travel friendly because it's a balm texture. You can carry it around with you all throughout the day.
You can use it in your hair.
Yeah.
You have flyaways.
Yes.
Omo.
Kiss forever. Everyone thought it was going to be like a lip balm,
Oh, really?
but it was a solid perfume. So it's to open the top of your solid perfume.
Ah, because it has the thing. Ah,
It looks so extra.
We need a good zoom in on this.
Oh. Ew, that was such an ugly face. This is like their best-selling scent. There's this cover.
This.
Yeah. That thing has no purpose after opening this.
Great.
I know, right?
Me.
Like that. Smell?
I almost used like a hand lotion. I almost like squirted the sponge out. Oh, that's fresh.
Right? It's so good.
Okay, you're gonna be so disappointed in my gifts.
No.
I'm telling you now.
I have 3 more gifts for you.
Oh, girl, that's already.
This is something that I've always wanted to get you.
Girl, there better be a one hoe in there.
I love like the amazing folding, but then the scotch tape.
Oh yeah.
This is some high quality.
Like wrapping paper, right? You could reuse
The kind
it.
that you wanna pretend like you're gonna keep, but then end up throwing it out
Yeah.
anyway.
Don't look as you open.
Okay.
Okay, ready? You know what I got?
A
Toaster! And then wait,
finally.
and then a loaf of bread. You know why?
Why?
Eddie does not eat breakfast. He
I
doesn't
don't.
eat if there isn't food. So I kept telling him that I'm gonna get you a toaster and some bread. Now he will eat breakfast and not starve himself.
You sound like one of those kids that are on the donate 10 cents a month.
Oh no. No, it's because every time we travel together, he eats the most
I
apparently.
eat toast.
Yeah.
Whenever
He
we
eats
go to a hotel.
4 pieces.
4 pieces with some butter on it.
Yeah. I'm sorry I couldn't get you butter. I was gonna, but then I was walking around all day and I didn't want it to melt.
I literally needed bread because I ran out.
This one
But I
has
can
a lid too. If you decide not to use it and it gets dusty, it won't collect the dust inside. Right?
Right here.
The following day.
감동받아.
We actually did not set a price limit for this, so I had no idea. So I just added another $100 gift card to Hourglass.
Shut the.
Because I know you've been wanting to.
Oh, honey,
Try.
she's always sampling and swatching, but then she puts it back down. They have a store here?
They have it in 백화점s. So just go and use it and pick whatever you want.
Thank you, Joan.
Oh fuck.
Thank you.
Yay.
Whoa. Every year she's just killing it. And here I am every year just making it worse.
No, whatever.
Anya, prepare yourself.
No,
You probably
no.
should have recorded yours first because my gifts, questionable.
It's the maum though.
It's the mom that matters.
Yeah.
He knew. He fucked up.
I hope you like everything. Please don't skip breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day.
I'm gonna be so thick. Do you see this? This is not okay.
Yeah, he's always wearing those same black shorts. I was
Anya, you 바꿨어. Just today though.
I was contemplating if I should buy you like different shorts too.
Another amazing year. Can't wait to see what happens next year.
Yeah.
So I'll see you guys in Joan's version on her channel. Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Have a happy
New Year.
holidays.
Oh, I was gonna say New Year.
And New Year.
And New Year. Bye.
Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas.